How to take effective notes on genetic concepts. Are you struggling to take effective notes on genetic concepts? You are not alone. Genetics can be a complex subject, but with the right strategies, you can master it. Let's break down some effective note-taking techniques that will help you grasp these concepts more easily. First, organization is key. Start by structuring your notes in a clear and visual way. Genetics involves many terms and relationships, so using diagrams, flowcharts, and tables can be very helpful. For example, you can create a flowchart to show how traits are inherited or a table to compare dominant and recessive traits. Visual aids can make abstract ideas more concrete and easier to remember. Next, focus on defining key terms. Write down definitions for important concepts like gene, allele, genotype, and phenotype. Make sure to put these definitions in your own words. This practice reinforces your understanding and helps you remember the terms better. Mnemonic devices are also a great tool for memorization. For instance, you can create a rhyme or acronym to remember the pairs of nitrogenous bases in DNA. Remember that adenine pairs with thymine and cytosine pairs with guanine. These little tricks can make a big difference when you are trying to recall information. Active recall is another effective strategy. After writing down definitions, cover them up and try to explain the concepts without looking. Teaching the material to someone else, or even to yourself, can reveal gaps in your knowledge that you can then address. Incorporating examples into your notes is essential. Use real-life traits, like freckles or hair color, to illustrate how dominant and recessive alleles work. This makes the concepts more relatable and easier to understand. Flashcards are a fantastic way to reinforce your memory over time. You can create flashcards for terms and definitions, which can be reviewed regularly. There are also digital tools that can help you create and manage these flashcards efficiently. Joining or forming study groups can be beneficial as well. Discussing genetic concepts with peers allows you to explain ideas and hear different perspectives, which can deepen your understanding of the material. Keep your notes concise but informative. Focus on key points and relationships instead of copying large blocks of text. Using bullet points can help you organize your notes for quick review. When you encounter complex processes, like DNA replication or gene expression, break them down step by step in your notes. Use arrows or numbers to indicate the sequence of events. This approach can help clarify the process and make it easier to follow. Lastly, make it a habit to review and revise your notes regularly. This keeps the information fresh in your mind and helps you build connections between different concepts as your understanding grows. By using these strategies, you can take effective notes on genetic concepts that will help you succeed in your biology studies. Remember, the goal is to make the information clear and memorable, so you can tackle genetics with confidence.